Hi student, welcome to PCTS Academy. Today in the Federal Board Chemistry class 10 and chapter number 10, the acid, bases and salts, we will discuss the salts. First of all, we will define the salts. These are the substances produced by the reaction of acid and bases. When acids and bases react with each other, it will produce salt and water. Now, how salt formation will take place? You see that this is HCl, which is an acid. This hydrogen in this acid will be replaced by the positive metal ion in the sodium chloride, and this will be at their own place. Now, this hydrogen will be replaced by the sodium metal. The first part in the salt will be positive and it will be metal, and the second part will be negative. As you see that in this reaction the acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Now this is an aqueous form. What is aqueous? We have already discussed this in the previous lecture. There is solution in which water is used as a solvent is known as aqueous solution. In this acid, the water is used as a solvent in the formation of this solution. Now this will react with sodium hydroxide, and this hydrogen will be replaced by this sodium metal ion. It will form the sodium chloride, and this one hydrogen will neutralize this OH and will form the water. The neutralization reaction will be in this manner: H plus plus OH minus, it will form H2O. So this one neutralize this one to form H2. This is neutral, that's why water is neutral. So this hydrogen is replaceable, hydrogen atom in acid, and metal atom has replaced hydrogen atom. So this all about the formation of salt, that the reaction of acids with bases to form salt and water, which is the very easiest topic. And after this one topic we will discuss the uses of salts in the incoming lecture. So if you have any question regarding this one topic, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.